In this video I'm going to share how you can make money on TikTok without being on camera, and you don't even have to speak for this. So what can you expect from today's video? Well, I'll show you this method and exactly how this works step by step. I'll go over some of my results using what you're going to learn today. It's absolutely free to get started with and it is available worldwide. So what do you not need for this? Well, you don't have to be on camera, you don't have to speak if you don't want to, you don't need any experience, skills, and what I love about TikTok and this method is you do not need to spend lots of time with this, and as you'll see in this video, you can create these videos and upload them onto TikTok and it takes less than a minute. It really does, and it's so simple to do. Now make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to share how you can fast track absolutely everything we're going to cover and get results. We'll then go over how you can make more money on TikTok, and I'll throw in some additional ways that you can use to monetize on the platform. So make sure you stay till the end because you will find that very beneficial. So let's jump into today's video and I'll walk you through this step by step. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So let's jump into this method really quickly and how you can start with this. So obviously the platform we're going to be using is TikTok. Now I've been interested in TikTok for a number of years really. I first found out about it when it was called Musical.ly, and when I looked at it, it was young kids dancing around and doing silly things. So I looked at it very briefly and I went away from it, and then more recently, because I've seen more affiliate marketers and people making money over on the platform, I started to get a little bit interested in this, and then I went ahead and purchased several different courses. Most of them were utter crap, and then I purchased one recently which was, believe it or not, it was $1 and it had some absolutely awesome content and training in there, and I started implementing what was taught in that course and I started to get results. So this is over on my Facebook group, and I always forget to share my Facebook group. So if you want to come over, just search for Not Taught at School on Facebook. But I shared this over in my Facebook group a couple of days ago. So let me just scroll down here. So come down here. TikTok. Are you using it for driving traffic and sales? So I asked it if people were using it within the group. Come further down the page here, so you can see, look, 21 hours ago, day 2 of TikTok. So I've actively been doing this method for 2 days. So far on TikTok, I've uploaded 4 videos, and in total it took me 5 minutes. And believe it or not, in 4 of these videos, I'm not talking, and in all 5 of them, I'm not even on camera. All I'm doing is recording my computer screen, and we'll look at that in a minute. But look at these results. So far, I've had over 1,300 views on my videos. 37 people have been added to my autoresponder, I've had 13 new followers, and I've also made $45 in affiliate commissions. Now this here, let me go over to my TikTok account. So you see here, this is my account, and you can look at the videos. It is just me recording my computer screen. Look at this one here. And $12 an hour for listening to music. It's had 91 views. This one over here has had 1,200 views. If I come down here, you can see 161 and 234. So these are the 5 videos that I have uploaded in 2 days. And they're incredibly short. I think this one's 15 seconds, this one's a minute, this one's a minute, I think this is about 30 seconds and 30 seconds. So how it works is, over on TikTok, you go ahead and you create an account, and you can connect via Facebook, Google, Twitter, Pinterest, all these other things. You create an account for free, and then you give yourself a name and a username and other bits on here. So in terms of how you monetize from this and start creating content that you can make money with, the first part of this is you decide on your niche. And again, this can be anything. It can be cooking, dog videos, cat videos, make money online, absolutely anything. Once you've decided on your niche, you want to get a product that you're going to promote. So let's just go and grab a really simple product. Now let's go over to ClickBank. Let's go over here and find a product. And this will all make sense as we're going through this video for you. So if I come over here, let me just log into ClickBank. And we'll go into the marketplace and we will find a product that we want to promote. So up here, click on marketplace and find any products in here. So on the left hand side, look, you've got all of these categories down here. So any of these, you can just click on them, or if you click this arrow here, it opens up and you can get all of these additional categories or niches on here. So let me just click on here and we'll just go into this So you see any of these here, this is the product, this is the average sale. If you want to promote any of these products here, you'd simply click on promote like this. This one you've got to be approved by the vendor, so I'm going to come down here, let's go to this wood profits, let's click on promote. Click on generate hop link really quickly. So that there is our link effectively. So what you'd want to do with that is you've got your link here from ClickBank. Go over to a link shortener, you can use any, just use Bitly for now. Go over to Bitly, sign up, it's absolutely free to get started with again. Come over here, click on create, paste in the long URL. So the long URL is this one that we've just got from ClickBank. Paste that in here, give it a second, and it's shortened it. So you see this here now? This would be your link. So I'm going to copy that. If you wanted to change around with this, and you can do, but for the time being, we're just going to click on copy. So let's go back over to TikTok. So we've created an account on TikTok, you've decided on a niche or a topic, you've gone over to ClickBank or another affiliate platform, you've found a product that you want to promote. The link that we've just got here, we copy this. Now over on TikTok, you see down here, this is my profile. So you can see it says sub on YouTube. So on the mobile app, you can actually link out to your YouTube account if you have one, and also your Instagram, and within your bio you can put a link. Now the link doesn't become clickable until you've got 1,000 followers. So in the meantime, all I've done here is, you see I've just pasted this in here. So I'm linking out over to my link tree. You can go ahead and just literally copy this and put it into your TikTok profile. Now let me show you my link tree so you understand what this is, because you can go and do this if you want. This is absolutely free as well. Go over to Linktree, create an account for free. So if anyone copies this and pastes it into Google, this goes over to here, look, my Linktree. So my #1 method to earn online, my free affiliate marketing course, free expert training, my YouTube channel and a blog. And if they click on any of these, so if someone looks at my profile on TikTok, clicks on this, it then takes them over to Linktree here, and I've got a number of options for them. So if they want my free affiliate marketing course, they click on there, and look, it takes them over to my free course. So they just go through, sign up, etc. See? And by the way, if you want my free affiliate marketing course or my YouTube growth course, go on to any video on my channel and you'll find it. Let me show you where that is, because again, I always forget to mention about these. If I come down here in the description box, click on show more, come down here, free courses, you see my free affiliate marketing course, this one, and also this one here. There's 4 free courses there for you. So let's go back over here. So that's Linktree. So you can include Linktree if you want, or if you're just happy to go with one product, you'd simply go over to Bitly and get this product over here. So that's this part done. So we've created our account, we've found products that we're going to promote or share essentially. Then the next part is these videos here. So how do you create these videos? Well, you can see on here, what I have chosen to do is simply record my computer screen. And look, let's go into one of these, I'll show you it so you can see it. See, that was it. So all I've done there is I've recorded my screen, and like this overlay text on here, you can do all of this in the app. It walks you through this as you're uploading a video on here, but it's so simple to do these. I mean, let me just show you one of one. I think I'm trying to find, I think I've got a 15-second one. I think it was this one here. Let me show you this one. So again, you can see I'm just recording my screen. Now look, I I am by no means any form of expert or a video creator on TikTok at all. I like to go for things which are quick and which are easy. So all I'm doing, as you've seen here, is recording my screen. If you want to, get really creative and do creative videos, you absolutely can do, but this is just about simple method, easy way to make money. So let's go back over to ClickBank. Let's go back over to ClickBank and find that products that we were picked out to promote. So this woodworking one here, this is the product that we're going to be promoting. So if you had created an account, sorry, mind boggling then. If you created an account on a niche, let's say for wood profits here, and you wanted to create, some really simple videos, click on here. It will open up to the products that you're promoting. And what do? You get out your phone and you literally come out, you get your phone and record parts of the screen on here. Look at this here. Discover the step-by-step guide. And this is literally all I would do is go through parts of the sales page here, record it on your phone in like 10-15 second little snippets, and then once you've done that, you upload it onto TikTok. And then on TikTok, as I've shown you over here, this text on the top, you literally just type that within the app and you can overlay. You can play around with the colors on here and change this. And look, there's lots more additional things that you can do on TikTok. There's filters and stickers and all these sorts of things, but I don't play around with any of it because I want to be in and out and done, basically. The quickest way to do this. So this is my channel. 5 videos, and as you saw over in my Facebook group, there's 5 videos. In total, it took me 5 minutes. It's had over 1,300 views, 37 people added. It said I had 13 new followers and I've made $45 in affiliate commissions. So that was 21 hours ago and I had 13 new followers, and I believe now I'm up to 24. And look, I'm not trying to grow a massive following on TikTok. I honestly don't care whether I have 24 followers or 24,000 followers. What I'm interested in is the views down here and people going over to my profile and having a look at this and going onto my Linktree link here and going over here. Because once I've got them over onto this page here and they click any of these here, then they're coming over to me, my brand, and what if they're gone this one here, this one here, this one here, they're going into my email list, my autoresponder. And look, that's an additional method that you can do, which is going into an email list and an autoresponder. And that is some of the additional things what I learned in the $1 course. So at the beginning of the video, I said to you, if you watch this till the end, I'll give you some additional tips. Well, the tip what I could give to you is go and purchase the exact same course that I did. It will cost you $1. It's incredibly cheap. Let me show you inside of it and what you get. Okay, so there's a link down below. It will take you over to the sales page. This is the sales page for this. And if I scroll down here, you can see it's $1. Now, what happened here is I went and joined this group where they were doing this TikTok challenge. And I jumped in, believe it or not, I jumped in on day 7. So I missed the whole challenge. But all of these testimonials here, these are people who have gone ahead, taken the course and gone through this challenge. And then they've shared the results. So you can see Linda here. Linda's a YouTuber also. So she's been on TikTok for 10 days. She's currently generating 160 to 180 leads a day, and this morning she woke up to 123 leads. What is Linda doing on her TikTok? Well, she's doing exactly what I'm doing. It's doing these really simple recording the computer screen. So if we jump back over here, this is just a couple of these. There's so many testimonials on here. Look, huge spike in followers and views. He's had 4 sales for a week. He's had over 10,000 views in 7 days. Crazy TikTok results. TikTok works. Insane TikTok results. Over 500,000 video views, etc. You can see all of these testimonials on here. And it's $1. And it's a great course. So I'll show you inside of the course. Let me show you this really quickly. It's over here. This is inside of the course. So this is what you'll learn. So part 1, endless 15-second video topics. Part 2, the perfect TikTok profile. Getting TikTok to share your videos. Post exactly what people want. And then a bonus guide. Now all of these here, for sure, click on one of these. They're not like 5 or 10 minute videos. They're proper. I mean, look at this. This is a 17-minute video. If I go back If I go to the next one, part 2, 17 minutes. The next one, 20 minutes. The next one, 37 minutes. The next one, 50. This one here is nearly an hour long. So you're getting nearly 2 hours worth of content for $1. It's absolutely awesome. So this is the course. It's really in depth. It's taught to you by 4 different people, and the 4 different people who are teaching the course, all of them have grown their TikTok to over 10,000 followers in less than 4 weeks. So that is what you get with this. But yes, today I also noticed something else what you get included in this, and they didn't tell you this anywhere else. So this is inside of the TikTok training for $1. If I scroll up here, you see where it says challenge. So once you purchase this, you get all of this here. But inside your account, if you click on challenge here, see on the left hand side here, you also get a 15-day business challenge, and this here walks you through essentially affiliate marketing and how to do all of this and set it all up, and it's really good stuff. So if we go on to day 1, oh no, you can't actually see this because it's locked, so you've got to click on start here. You click on start, and then do you want someone to help you walk through this? Yes, thanks, or no, please. But all of this here, it's all additional, it's all free, it's all included with the price. So this here, this 15-day challenge, this normally sells for $8. And if I go back over here, I'll show you inside of it, because I've actually purchased that myself separately. So if I go over here and type in legendarymarketer.com, let me jump inside of here and show you this 15-day business challenge as well. Look, so you see I've gone through this and unlocked all of these and watched all of these videos. This here is an absolutely awesome course. So day 1, you can see day 1 is what is this, 51 minutes. Day 2, the core, etc. So this here, all of this is just additional stuff, but this is ultimately about creating a business for long term, and affiliate marketing and driving traffic and lots more stuff in here. But that's included within the price. But if you're not interested in building a proper business and all that sort of stuff, then you get, this is your TikTok course here. So for $1 you get all of this. It's great value. Do you need it? No. Do I recommend it? Yes. It's $1. If you're in the UK, that's what, about 85 pence to get all of this content here. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. I will leave all of the links in the description of everything that we have covered in today's video. So thanks again. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.